here's what you're gonna need for this succulent meal. I've got some seasonings here. You can use practically whatever you want. Some sketty sauce and some rice. You can use any rice. Now let's get our chicken. Now we got our chicken into the pan. You just want to put on your seasonings and make sure it's all the way cooked through. You don't want to, you don't want to pass away. Get that sketty sauce in there, and then you should cook up your rice and have it with a couple garlic toasty thingies. And don't let your dog have any, because they will explode into a million pieces. Okay, thanks, bye, enjoy.
And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. We sincerely appreciate your patronage and hope we've succeeded in bringing you an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Please drive home carefully and come back again soon. Good night.